So hello everyone, welcome back to English Grammar and Literature World. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss some important questions from One Word Substitution. These questions are designed based on the pattern of SSC CGL, MTS, CHSL, CPO and other state level competitive exams. Okay, so those of you who are preparing for these exams, this class is going to be very important for you. Apart from this, many more important classes have been uploaded on this channel. You can check them out from the playlist section. Okay, and also if you want to join our Telegram channel, then link in the description to get free PDFs and daily quizzes. So let's begin today's class. So look at the first one, impossible or extremely difficult to understand. So what is the right one word substitution? The correct answer is option B, incomprehensible. The word incomprehensible means something that is impossible or extremely difficult to understand. Okay, and look at the other options. What is the meaning of the word inevitable? So the word inevitable means something that cannot be avoided. What is the meaning of incompatible? So the word incompatible means things that cannot exist together. Okay, and the meaning of the word inaudible, something that cannot be heard. Next, that which can be seen through. Actually, the right one word substitution is option D, transparent. Okay, so the word transparent refers to something that allows light to pass through so that object on the other side can be clearly seen. Understand? Now, what is the meaning of the word opaque? So the word opaque means something that cannot be seen. Okay, next, that which cannot be taken by force is called. Here the correct answer is option A, impregnable. The word impregnable refers to something that cannot be captured or broken by force, especially a place like a fort or a strong position. Okay, now the meaning of incomprehensible is something which is difficult to understand. Okay, that is called incomprehensible. What is the meaning of inaccessible? So inaccessible means difficult to reach. Understand? Next one, a large impressive house is called. So the correct answer is option D, that is mansion. So a mansion is a large and impressive house usually owned by wealthy people. Okay, next, look at the fifth, one who walks on foot. What is the right one word substitution? So the right one word substitution is option C, that is pedestrian. A pedestrian is a person who travels or walks on foot, especially on roads or roadside. So that is called pedestrian. Now, protagonist is a main character, okay, in a story or novel, and pediatrician is a doctor who treats children. Understand? That's very good. And what is the meaning of the word pauper? Pauper is a very poor person. So pauper is a very poor person. So that is called pauper. Understand? Next, a group of singers in a church is called. The correct answer is option A, choir. So choir is a group of singers, especially those who performs together in a church during religious service. Okay, next, a person or thing that has the same name as another. So tell me the right answer. Here the right one word substitution is option B, that is namesake. Okay, so namesake is a person or thing that has the same name as another person. Okay, next, place for collection of the dried plant specimens. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, that is herbarium. So the word herbarium is a place where dried plant specimens are collected, preserved and studied for scientific purpose. Okay, next, people who enjoy social company is called option D, that is gregarious. So the word gregarious is used to describe people who enjoy being in the company of others and like one kind of social interactions. Okay, so what is the meaning of the word unanimous? So unanimous means full of agreement among a group. Okay, and herbivorous refers to animals that eat plants. Next, 10th, a group of stars found close together. So this one is very important. So here the correct answer is option D, that is constellation. So the word constellation refers a group of stars that appear close together in the sky and often form a recognizable pattern. Okay, next. Showing poor taste and quality. What is called? Here the correct answer is option C, superfluous. So the word superfluous means something that is unnecessary or excessive, but among the given option it is the closest fit. Okay, so you cannot say incidental, adventitious or ascribe. So here only the correct answer is superfluous. Understand? Good. So next one, look forward to. So look forward to generally means option C, that is anticipate. Okay, so the word anticipate means look forward to something or to expect something to happen in the future. Okay, so what is the meaning of the word eschew? So the word eschew means to deliberately avoid something. Okay, next. Extreme self-confidence or audacity is called. So the correct answer is option D, chutzpah. Okay, so the word chutzpah refers to extreme self-confidence or boldness, something to the point of being shameless or audacious. Understand? So now, what is the meaning of the word petrified? So the word petrified means extremely frightened, and skittish means nervous or easily frightened. Okay, next. The ability to make good judgments and take quick decisions. So what is the right one word substitution? Here the correct answer is option B, that is acumen. So the word acumen refers to ability to make quick, sharp and correct decisions, especially in particular situation like business or problem solving. Okay, so what is the meaning of the word stupor? So the word stupor means a state of near unconsciousness or lack of awareness, and sanity generally suggests mentally good health. Next, medical study of skin and diseases. So this one is also very important. I think you people know the right answer. So the correct answer is option A, that is dermatology. Okay, so dermatology refers to the branch of medical science that deals with the study of skin, its structure, function and diseases. Okay, so what is the meaning of endocrinology? So endocrinology deals with the glands and hormones. Okay, gynecology generally focus on the female reproductive system, and orthopedics deals with bones and muscles. Understand? Next, a story in which animals or object speak, okay, and given wholesome moral lesson. Here the correct answer is option C, that is fable. So fable is a short story in which animals or object are given human qualities such as speaking or thinking. Okay, and it usually teaches a moral lesson at the end. Okay, so here option C, fable is the correct answer. Now, what is the meaning of the word parable? So parable also teaches us a moral lesson, but usually involves human character. Okay, meaning of allegory. So allegory is a moral complex symbolic story with deeper meaning, and legend is a traditional story, okay, based on the historical or mythical events. Next, a process involving too much official formality. So this one is very important. So here the correct answer is option C, that is red tapeism. So the phrase red tapeism refers to excessive official rules, procedure and the formalities that cause delay and the inconvenience in getting work done. Okay, so it is often used in a negative sense for unnecessary bureaucracy. Understand? So look at the other options. What is the meaning of the word nepotism? So the word nepotism means favoring relatives. Okay, and diplomacy refers to managing the international relations. Okay, so next one, a person who enters without any invitation. This one is very important. So here the correct answer is option D, that is intruder. Okay, so intruder is a person who enters a place without permission or invitation. Such a person is considered unwelcome and may be violating rules or privacy. So look at the other option, that is vandal. So the word vandal is someone who deliberately damage property. Okay, next, one who is concerned with the welfare of others. This person is called Option A, altruist, or you can say philanthropist man. Okay, so altruist is a person who cares for the welfare of others and acts selflessly without expecting anything in return. So who is hedonist? So hedonist is someone who seeks pleasure. An egoist person is one kind of self-centered man and thinks only about himself. Understand? Good. So next one, a person who agree to work for somebody in order to learn a skill. So here the correct one-word substitution is option D, that is apprentice. Okay, so apprentice is a person who works under a skilled professional to learn a trade or skill. Okay, so look at the other options. Pupil is a student in general, you can say. Okay, so look at the option B, that is lackey. So the word lackey is a servant who follows orders without any question. Next, two are important to consider. So here the correct meaning is option A, that is trivial. Actually, the word trivial is used to describe something that is too small or unimportant to deserve attention. Okay, so it refers to matters that have little value or little significance, you can say. So look at the other options. The word diminutive means extremely small in size. Okay, that is called diminutive. Next, to free anything from germs. So look, to free anything from germs means option C, that is sterilize. So the word sterilize means to completely remove or destroy all germs, bacteria or microorganisms from something. Okay, so look at the other options. What is the meaning of the word antiseptic? Actually, if you take antiseptic, then it will be wrong, because antiseptic is a substance used to prevent infection. Understand? And antivirus also related to a computer. And the word cauterize means to burn tissue or stop bleeding or infection. Okay, so next, so this is the last one. Look at the question. The depository where state records and documents are preserved. So look at the option. Is it library? Is it museum? Is it emporium? Or is it archive? So what is the right answer? You have to tell me in the comment section. Okay, here are total 23 important questions from one word substitution. So that's all for today. Till then, keep reading, keep writing, and keep watching English Grammar and Literature World. So if you want to join our Telegram channel, then link in the description. So thanks for watching.